then please, when we want to sneeze into your
elbow.
Sneeze into your clothes. Let it
Achoo!
be,
Yes.
let it be in you if you don't have a tissue or something.
Yeah.
She said, let it be you. I love it.
Yes, keep it to yourself, really. Okay, and then avoid when you see someone else sneezing, as much you can shift. You
Then
can
just
practice
move
social
away.
distancing. That's what we call it, right? We just coined it a name. Wow.
Prioritize your health
Exactly,
over
social
anything.
distancing. So this is what we always preach at NEM Health. Prevention.
Mm-hmm.
We always encourage people to go for their annual health checks. Know your body.
Yes.
Really. If you have any condition, go to the hospital. Right. There's so many people, even asthma, things like asthma, we cover it.